Welcome to AI TV. If you like the show, keep watching because every Thursday night you can become a live part on YouTube. And we're going to talk about news first. We're going to deep dive and make it contextual to your real life. And then we're going to go into tool time where we deep dive on one particular subject: Perplexity, Google Notebook LM, Gemini, all the latest tools, how to use them, how to make baby videos, and all kinds of other cool stuff. Our promise is if you give us a few minutes, we're going to help you understand and to deal with the complexities of what is the most fundamentally biggest change in all of human history. How do we deal with the good, bad, and the ugly? How do we be better people, always being a better version of ourselves and being of service to the world? And we want you to join in the whole process as we take a look at AI, what it can do for us, or better yet, what you can do with AI.